In this video, you'll learn how to generate images in Perplexity AI for free. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create and save unique images based on your prompts using this platform. Begin by opening Perplexity AI using your preferred web browser or app. If you are using a browser, simply type the name into the search bar and hit enter. If you are using an app, locate and tap on the Perplexity AI icon to launch it. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will enhance the loading speed and overall experience. Once the platform is loaded, you will see a search or query box prominently displayed on the screen. This is where you will type your image prompt. For optimal results, clearly describe the image you want to generate. For instance, you might enter a prompt like generate a realistic illustration of a futuristic city at sunset. Be as specific as possible, including details about style, mood, color, and perspective to guide the AI in producing the best image. After you have entered your prompt, you have the option to add further instructions regarding the style of the image. This step is optional, but it can enhance the output. For example, you can specify styles such as in cartoon style or digital painting, realistic, 4K. Including these details helps in refining the final image to match your vision more closely. To generate your image, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once you do this, Perplexity AI will begin processing your request. Depending on the complexity of your prompt and your internet speed, there may be a brief loading period. Patience is key as the system works to create your image. Once the image is generated, you will see it displayed on your screen. To save it, hover over the image. After a moment, you should notice a download or copy button appearing near the image. Click this button to save the image to your local device. Keep in mind the storage space available on your device to ensure you can save the file without any issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.